Hi kids, we're going to take another funky van tour. This is really interesting. So this van, a 17, non-extended it looks like, was put together in part by Red and in part by Mr. Johnson over here. But it has some really epic woodworking and you're going to love it. But van-wise, relatively low miles, and we're just doing a transmission service and putting in some LED headlight bulbs and whatever else little stuff we find. But I want to show you some of this wood. I don't know if you remember me talking before about Red's custom design in Indiana. I mainly know him through building expediters. He builds a sort of a standardized package for expediters that include, that van's a Red van. I have others showing you that, but anyway. So Red would have done some of the structure and the electronics of this, but the fella there, Mr. Johnson, is a woodworker, and I don't know if you know, but it shows. Look at that action. That's just awesome. Wow. That's really nice. Let's go look in the side door. Look at this. I would worry, I'm going to ask, if this stuff is very heavy. It's paneling, but it's pretty thick. But look at that. That's just like, oh, look at that. That's nice. And the header panel there, that's cool. Let's look in the side. I know you share my prurient interest in looking at other people's vans. Just like looking at people's skirts. Wow. Access, that's nice. This is living. Ooh. Cherry or maple, Steve maple. Oh, look at the countertop. I'm having full countertop envy.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Purple Heart.
You see that little switch right there on the wall?
I do.
That'll light up the
Ah. All right, this is getting pretty slick. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Ooh, hardwood semi-floors. I love that. That would be your kitchenette stack. Beautiful. Who doesn't have a heart-on for wood? Especially Purple Heart. Or Wenge, or whatever that is.
Well, there's Bubinga in there too.
Bubinga, that's...
The whiteboard in the center is curly cherry.
Yeah. Lovely. And I see walnut as well, I think. Nice. Respect the wood, people. That's excellent. That's excellent. I'd be worried about scratching it up. All right, well, there you go. There was your funky van tour.
My app, Promaster phone app, custom Promaster phone app, it'll make you happy. Buy my app, buy my goddamn